Okay, we're going to do our character and setting page for your officer, Buckle and Gloria. We're going to talk about character and setting. So here's our choices. We're going to cut them out with scissors real quick. Cut, cut, cut. I hope you're practicing your cutting. Mom or Dad can draw you some squares around the pictures to help you know where to cut if you need a little help. Cut, cut, cut. Just like that. All right, I have them all cut out. Officer Buckle. Is he a character or a setting? He is a character. Remember, characters are the people or the animals that are in the story. So I got some glue, and I'm going to glue it right here on my page under character. Okay, how about this one? School. That is a setting. Setting is where the story takes place. Setting. Where was the story? At the school. It's a setting. What about the police station? That was a setting too. They were at the police station. That is where the story takes place. Police station. Now we have one more choice here. Gloria. Is that setting or character? That would be character. That is one of the people or animals in the story. Character.